Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at jazztime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 reference 126234 pink Roman diamond 6/9 on oyster bracelet with 18 karat white gold fluted bezel. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the movement, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. Starting with the case, it's a 36 millimeter from my thumb to my index finger. They make these Datejust in 28, 31, 36, and 41 millimeters. This being 36, it's the second largest one, so it could either be worn by a woman who likes to wear large watches or a man who has a smaller wrist. So either of those two, you can wear it. It's an oyster stainless steel case, and it's a monoblock middle case, meaning this bracelet or this case is one single piece. Okay, it has a screw down case back, as you can see on the back right here. You can't see the movement because it's housed inside here, but yes, it's 36 millimeter, it's stainless steel, and Rolex uses the highest quality steel, 904L steel, which gives it its high luster and maintains its integrity for many years. Okay, let's move on to the bezel here. The bezel is 18 karat white gold. Rolex calls it white Rolesaur. It's basically just 18 karat white gold, and it has this fluted look on here. They also make it in domed. Actually, you know what? I don't think they make it. Oh, they do make it in domed, but it's stainless steel. So this one's in 18 karat yellow gold, and it's actually the iconic Rolex look. So if anyone sees this bezel, it's surely a Rolex. Okay, now let's talk about the dial. The dial is a pretty interesting one. In fact, I really like it. It's a new dial. First, obviously, it's pink, but what else do you notice here at the 6 and 9 o'clock? It has diamonds, and it actually has a lot of diamonds, and each one of those diamonds are hand placed. Rolex only uses the very top, highest quality of diamond, and so that's what you end up seeing here. And they actually, how many diamonds? Well, if you were to actually go in there and count, which I have not, but I've looked it up on their website, they have 24 diamonds. Now, can you imagine how hard it is to put 24 tiny little diamonds and set them by hand in each one of those? It's a lot of work. And of course, to choose the highest quality diamonds that all match in color, that's probably why you're paying this premium for this premium dial. Okay, it also has Roman numerals, as in not Arabic, not like what you would write on a piece of paper, but these old school Roman numerals. Now, this is good for a few things. One, it looks very beautiful, but one of the downsides is that you can't view it in the dark because it doesn't luminesce. So if you need something that looks more practical, you got to go with the index. But they don't make pink in index, at least as of 2020. They only make Roman with pink. Okay, you'd actually have to go with an older model. Anyhow, let's move on to the movement here. Okay, now the movement is also refreshed with a 32-35 movement. It used to have a 31-35, which is not as good. And if you look at it, it's been used for a long time. But of course, Rolex updates their products, and tries to give you the best they can, and for the time. So at the time, the 3135 was really good, which was used for like 30 years. But now that we're in 2020, I suspect that this 3235 will be used for probably another 20 years until advancements in technology allow them to use a newer movement. This one has a precision of ±2 seconds a day and a power reserve of 70 hours. Okay, now the bracelet is a oyster 3-piece link across. It has high polish down the center and brush down the sides, and it has a folding oyster clasp that closes like this. Also notable is it has an easy 5mm comfort extension, which you just simply pull out like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so I guess I told you at the outset I would give you my thoughts, and I think this watch would be much more fitting for a woman or a gay man because it's pink. So I have a 7.5-inch wrist, and it fits me very well. And if you're a lady with a larger wrist, or you like to wear larger watches, this would probably be a very good watch for you. In fact, it's a very, very hip watch. If you look at it, I think you'll both agree, and that's probably why you're watching this video, because you're considering buying it. Now, if you are considering buying it, please go to jazztime.com, which is the reason why I'm making this video for you guys, so you can decide in the comfort of your own home if you want to buy this watch. No, it's not simply for review purposes, educational purposes. No, we're actually here to make money. So if you like this watch, please support us by buying it. Check us out at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.